This is like a really chef thing to do it like this. This is delicious. When I tasted it and I cooked it for the first time, it wasn't like anything I had before in the sense of a meat alternative because it cooked like meat. It's extremely easy to cook. I have meati that can be great in a salad, that can be put in a sandwich, that can be basted in butter like a traditional piece of meat in a French way. I can roast it. That's as versatile as you can get. The future of meat alternatives is better than ever before. I'm always looking for the new and delicious. It doesn't have to be meat alternatives. Anything that's new and delicious. When you look at the other competitors out there, there's no one even close. If I can't taste the difference, and it's got the same protein as a regular chicken sandwich, why wouldn't we have that conversation? Why wouldn't you want to serve this? I think it's going to mess with people's heads in a good way.